Hey, what's up guys? I want to do a video review of my latest laptop that I just got. I got on Amazon. This is a Microsoft Surface Laptop 13.8, Microsoft Surface Laptop 7. The specs is 7th edition, Snapdragon X Elite, 16 gigabyte, and 1 terabyte in memory. And I want to do an unboxing video right now. This is how I got it. And I haven't had a new laptop in a long time. Prior to this, my previous laptop was a Surface laptop as well, Microsoft. And it was like an older version. It was, man, it was many years ago. It was like Surface Laptop 2, I think. But the brand was really good. I was impressed. Prior to that, I used to have other laptops like Sony or HP or whatnot. They were good, but they would only last like a couple of years or whatnot, and something would happen. But Microsoft Surface Laptop, the brand was amazing for my previous version. But I had that version since 2018, and it started getting kind of hotter, and the battery wasn't doing as well. But for using it for 6 years, 5+ years, it was actually really good. So I recently decided to get this new laptop, the same brand, Microsoft Surface, because I really like the brand and I read the reviews. I was going for either this one or Lenovo, I think, Yoga 2.1, Yoga 7, 2-in-1 type of laptop, which is half the price of this, but I decided at the last moment to go with this because, you know, I use a computer quite often for my online business, and I'm not a gamer. I don't play games, but the main decision for me was when I work, I use a mouse pad a lot, and the other laptops, like every time I tap it, you will hear it. But this laptop, I want to hear it as much. It was very solid and quiet, and I was just like, you know what? The price is a lot more higher than other laptops, but in the long run, I'll probably use it for the long run. So, and I like how quiet it is. So, let's get to it. That's why I chose this for the mouse. Okay, but again, everyone has their own preference, reasons for doing it. But for me, I want to work in quiet, silence, and I don't want to be distracted by, you know, hearing the mouse pad constantly every time I tap it or something. Okay, so here it is. Let me just show you 1 second. Let me try to show you as best as possible. Okay, and I got this thing here. Hold on. So I have it here. Ooh, this is how it comes up. Very thin. All right, it's awesome. I got the platinum color. There's options to get the blue one, navy blue, I think, black. But I just got the platinum. This just like looks like the original one, right? So I'm gonna open it up here. Maybe I should have done a different video style, but I just want to do it like this. I got it on Amazon for a pretty good deal, 10% off the normal price for the 1 terabyte. The 1 terabyte option versus the 512, the price wise is very similar. So I got the 1 terabyte, and for my online business, I use a. Oh wow! Look at this. This is pretty thin. You know, that's how it looks like. This is the real unboxing right now. This is fantastic. And one of the good things about this, I heard the battery life. Supposedly it lasts like 20 hours. You know, compared to most laptops, like 10 hours or whatnot. So that's amazing. I'm gonna open it up here. Oh yeah, from the side, it's they have a USB and USB-C, 2 of them. And here they have the charger. A lot of people are complaining they wish they had another USB-A, and I agree, why not? But then you know what? I'm just gonna get one of those things where you put it in and get another USB-A. I'm gonna open it. This thing shows up. Wow! That's how it looks like. Oh my goodness. Let me just, that's what comes out. Hold on, let me pause the video. What else is there? There's the charger. This is the charger. Pretty small, pretty light compared to my old version. And this, my old laptop, my charger stopped working. So thankfully, the USB-C charges the Surface laptop. So that's a cool thing. Just in case if your Surface laptop, I think if this doesn't work, you can charge it with a USB-C, which is like same as a phone charger. Automatically, as I open it, it turns on. I'm setting it up. So that's how it looks like. Let me show you a different view, okay? 1 second. So this is a Surface laptop, how it looks like. 13. I got the 13.8 because I didn't want the 15 or 16 inches too big. But as you can see, it's very light. It's much lighter than the previous versions. It's very thin, as you can see. These are the ports. This is amazing. I'm looking forward to using this. So I just turn it on, and that's the keyboard. You can see right here. And by the way, if you want to check out the product, click on the link below the video. It will be my Amazon affiliate link. I appreciate if you get it. If not, it's all good too. Okay. And as soon as I turn it on, the setup process is there. So there you go, Microsoft Surface Laptop 7. And the keyboard is amazing, I heard. One of the reasons I got it was the mouse pad again, like I said before. Because it's very easy to use. You can't hear anything. If I click on it, you can't really hear it. Other laptops, whenever I clicked on the mouse pad, like you would hear it click. I don't want to hear it because I'm going to use a mouse pad quite often when I copy and paste and, you know, just scrolling and everything. I don't want to hear that noise. So I know the price was a little bit higher, but I think it's going to be worth the peace of mind when I use this for work and so forth. So yeah, this is amazing. On top of that, I got the charger right here. That's how it came about. And this goes together. I mean, you gotta take this out. I'll take it out later. But you can also charge it with the USB-C. That's the cool thing about this. So I'm just gonna go English, yes. The sound is pretty good too. So there you go, Surface laptop, quick review of the day. That's how it looks like. That's the side, USB-A on the left, and 2 USB-Cs. You can charge it with a USB-C. And the other right side, they have the charger, which is very easy to use. And turn it on. So everything's good to go. So I'm just gonna go through the setup process. Click the link below the video if you want to learn more. This is a 13.8 Windows Surface Laptop 7. I got the 1 terabyte. There's 256, 512, 1 terabyte. But the 1 terabyte options is just like $10 more as of right now compared to the 512. So that's why I got the 1 terabyte for more memory. There's a 16 gigabyte RAM versus 32, but I ended up getting 16 because I don't really play games. I'm going to use it for YouTube and just Microsoft Word for my business, online business. So I don't really need all that, you know, and 16 gigabytes is sufficient for all the things I needed to do. So anyhow, this is a closer look at the keyboard and the mouse pad one last time. Thank you for watching. I gotta go. Click the link below the video and check out the link if you want to go get it, okay? Thank you. Talk to you soon. Take care. Bye. This is a Surface laptop. Alright, cool. Copilot uses AI software. Copilot key instantly access your everyday AI companion. Your Windows update is in progress. This could take a while. Please keep your PC on and plugged in. Okay, I will. Thank you. There's more AI stuff here. Copilot.